morning po sa inyo lahat. Thanks for joining us tonight. Are you excited to watch the film? Wow. May mga dala ba kayong panyo?
Si Tony PJ, first time. Palakpakan po natin si Tony Gonzaga. First time po magkaroon ng international premiere.
Kaya pwede po ba kami umawit?
Yes, you can sing with us since...
So easy to say the words goodbye, so hard to let the feeling
know how much I need you now, and time is turning back somehow. As soon as our hearts and souls unite, I know for sure we'll get the freedom right. We're starting over again. It's not the easiest thing to do. I'm feeling excited, 'cause every time I look at you, I know we're starting over again. This time we'll all fade away. Welcome home, my lovely friend. We are starting over again.
all the time we spent apart, all the years break each other's heart.
With me being in the middle, para lang kayong nasa date na dalawa. Tapos
Ganun talaga
ako yung table with the tablecloth.
Ikaw dito. Siyempre, yan love team. Batiin nyo sila, nandito lahat sila para sa inyo.
Uy, siyempre gusto po namin magpasalamat. Sino po dito yung mga nag-drive pa mula sa malayo? Meron galing pang LA yung mga tita ko. Sila Tita Doris, Tita Dave.
Meron bang galing Pilipinas?
Yung mga nag-drive pa mula LA, maraming.
Michigan.
May Michigan.
Lumipat from Michigan.
May New York. Naku, maraming salamat. New York? Grabe. Saan po galing? New York? Grabe. Maraming salamat po na napunta kayo.
And we'd also like to greet the mayor of Daly City who's joining us tonight. Let's give them a hand.